Okay, today we are going to have a GoPro Hero 10. Here, you can show this. Hero 10 and an iPhone. iPhone with this lightning connector down here. And we are going to want to connect with our iPhone to the Quick app here. The Quick app. And then we want to get the data from the camera onto our phone as fast as possible. And if we log in here, through wireless, it's gonna take a minute. Okay, we want to make this a little bit faster. Okay, so we do need here in the camera, let me take the thing off here. Let me turn the camera on. Camera comes on. And there's a bunch of movies on there. How can you look at the movies? I think you dial up and take this window here, and then you see there's a bunch of them in here. And so if we want to get this over here, we are plugging in a regular GoPro cable. Here, this is GoPro USB-C. There. And then on the other side, we have here the USB-A connector. You see, this is an original GoPro cable here. Okay, and now we do need to connect to the Apple phone this Lightning to USB camera adapter. And for those of you guys who don't know how to open this, there's this little green arrow, and you just pull on that. Put that to the side, and then you can open this. And then you hope that there is one in here. And it is. There it is. Let's take that out. And you can see this here. The Lightning on one side and USB on the other, right? So let's plug this into the phone. Here we go back to our app here. Plug this in here. And then there we plug in the camera. There. GoPro Quick would like access files. Okay. Now it says USB connecting. Automatically download. No, we don't want that. And then we look view media. And then you see already how fast that shows up. And then we do here 24 seconds drive. You can do a preview where I'm driving along here. And let's download that. Here. Download. And then you see how fast that downloads. There we go. That was 300 megabyte. Okay, that's how fast that downloads. We can now download complete view media. This is our media. And in order to see if I did have GPS enabled or not, I would like to go here to stickers and then put in the speedometer. Here it says GPS only on here. GPS only, so that means I did not have GPS on at the time as I was recording this. I did not have the GPS in camera on. So, and when this thing is connected like this here, I have to turn this around. Then you see that in the GoPro, you see here USB connected. What did I push for buttons here? Gave some messages here. I don't know why this does happen here. A GoPro has been connected via USB. So, okay. Okay. And that's how that works. You don't need it anymore. You can unplug it here. And the camera goes back to normal. So this is the thing. I bought this in the original Apple store. I'm going to go in here closer. And I have to focus a little bit. I bought this thing originally in the Apple store here. That's how it looks like. As you saw, I think that was high speed. That's the name of it. Lightning to USB camera adapter. Doesn't come cheap though. You know, go on the website at Apple and see what it costs for you. It's expensive. And I do hope that you like this video and subscribe for more if you want.